Yo guys, it's Vincent here from Yangu, and the S10 is out. The mind-blowing S10 is out. Not S10, S10s. What can I say? There are 4 of them. Okay, put it in slow motion. We go like the Samsung company, big Korean, South Korean company has released 4 Samsung Galaxy S10s yesterday, and plus the S10s, they're about like one additional phone, which is the folding phone. I haven't seen its pictures, but well, I don't have much to say about it. So let's talk about the Samsung Galaxy S10s. Okay, first of all, they have released the S10e. I think that's the S10 like light. It doesn't have an in-screen fingerprint. It doesn't have 3 secondary cameras. It only has 2. Its fingerprint is on the side. It's small. It's more portable, as you can see the specifications. And not much to say about it. Simple, cheaper. I think it's the competitor for the Samsung for the iPhone XR. Okay, after that is the Samsung Galaxy S10, the normal one. Big, another very big, is like the big brother of S9, and then there is S10 Plus, which these 2 are the normal ones, and then there is the big mama, which is I'm sorry, I didn't mean to use that word, which is the Samsung Galaxy S10 5G, which for most of the time no one has been allowed to use, but they have been allowed to take pictures of it. Only pictures. Nobody has been able to turn it on or what, so we don't know what Samsung was aiming at. But generally, these phones have like 3 big features that are like amazing and never expected. First of all, is all the hype on the punch out screen is real. It's like the S10e has only one punch out on the primary camera, which is the selfie camera, and S10, S10 Plus, S10 5G, all of them have dual cameras, whereby one is mainly sensor and the other is the normal camera. Big bad moves of the secondary cameras are 3. Okay, for the S10 5G, S10 Plus, and S10, there are 3 big bad moves in the secondary camera or main cameras. Okay, so one of the cameras is a telephoto camera, one of them is a wide angle, and the other one is a normal camera. These cameras differ by megapixel, as you can see. Don't comment to the wallpaper. Okay, let's change it by the power. Okay, those are the cameras for the S10 Plus, S10 5G, which exactly 5G no one has been able to touch. But really, they're amazing phone. They are amazing phones. So the cameras is the first amazing part of it, with a little bit of jinxes and a little bit of small features. Those are the S10. Okay, the other thing is the in-display fingerprint. For the first time, Samsung have put the fingerprint inside the screen, whereby our phones, the phones before, had fingerprint either on the back or on the front. On the front is way back, but on the back is the main location of many of the Samsung's fingerprint scanners. But for the S10 normal one, the S10 Plus and the S10 5G expected, the fingerprint will be on the screen. So those are the S10. We have the camera, we have the inbuilt fingerprint, we have the punch out screen, we have the night mode. As you know, there's a bit of word going about on the blue light from phones, whereby people are saying that the blue light from phone prevents the mind from being able to turn on sleep mode, like you cannot sleep, and maybe other diseases. A lot of statistics on the thing. So they've adopted this new thing to reduce blue light on the screen, like on the iPhone. Wireless power sharing, whereby the new batteries on the S10 are bigger, better, stronger, promising you about 24 hours of charge. Yeah. With this, you are allowed to do like power sharing for other people using like wireless enabled phones. You can convert charge, but don't worry, when the charge is at about 30%, it stops charging. Another feature of the S10 is the wireless power sharing. I don't know what it's called. That's the name. And still we have dual SIM, and still we have memory card slot, and still we have 3.5mm earphone jack with on-screen fingerprint and side fingerprint, and the hectic Bixby button, and a lot of things. So that is the general view, or the S10 summary for beginners on what is new and what was not there. Those are the S10s. So please, let's welcome a new era of S10. Oh, plus on the folding phone, not much is said about it, but as usual, first generation of something isn't amazing until it is removed to the public. People use it, people criticize it. It goes back to developers, it goes back to the creators, the big minds behind making devices. They make something else. It's amazing. So as you can see, I'll put a picture here. This is the folding phone, something is currently displaying. That is a bit. So that is the Samsung Galaxy S10. So please guys, if it's your first time on #Yangu, please subscribe. I want to go and buy the S10. And share this video to other people, and please press the thumbs up button, and if you can, press on the bell icon. So this is K from #Yangu. See you in the next video.